Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to start the topic that is processing fibers into wool. So, in this topic, we are going to study that how the fibers processing into wool takes place. So, the wool which is used for knitting sweaters or for weaving shawls is the finished product of a long process which involves the following steps. So there are some steps given that will be show that will tell you that how the processing of fibers into wool is done. So step 1 is the fleece of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from its body, that we can see in figure 3.8a. This process is called shearing. Machines similar to those used by barbers are used to shave off hair. So the fleece of the sheep along with thin layer of skin is removed from its body. So it is the process of shearing. So you can underline this definition of shearing, that is, then the machines similar to those used by barbers are used to shave off hair. Then usually hair are removed during hot weather. This enables sheep to survive without their protective coat of hair. The hair provide woolen fibers. Woolen fibers are then processed to obtain woolen yarn. Shearing does not hurt the sheep just as it does not hurt when you get a haircut or your father shaves his beard. Do you know why? The uppermost layer of the skin is dead. Also, the hair of sheep grow again just as your hair does. So, the woolen fibers are processed to obtain woolen yarn. Then we have shearing does not hurt the sheep as we doesn't hurt by the cutting of our hair or when our father shaves their beard. So then its reason is given here, that is why it doesn't hurt while cutting off their hair. So the uppermost layer of the skin is dead, that's why they can't get hurt by cutting off the hair. Then also the hair of sheep grow again just as our hair does. Step second. The sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and hurt. This is called scouring. Nowadays, scouring is done by machines shown in figure 3.8b and c. So second step involves the sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt, and that its process is known as scouring. So you can definitely define what is scouring. Then it is done by machines. Then step third, after scouring, sorting is done. The hairy skin is sent to a factory where hair of different textures are separated or sorted. So the separation of different types of hair of this sheep, so these are known as sorting. So then we have step fourth. The small fluffy fibers called burrs are picked out from the hair. These are the same burrs which sometimes appear on your sweaters. The fibers are scoured again and dried. This is the wool ready to be drawn into fibers. So the fourth step involves the small fluffy fibers called burrs that are picked out from the hair, that we can also see in our sweater sometimes, and then the fibers are scoured again and dried. This is the wool which is ready for to be drawn into fibers. Then we have step fifth. The fibers can be dyed in various colors, as the natural fleece of sheep and goats is black, brown or white. So then they are being colored by various type of dyes. Then the last step, that is step sixth. The fibers are straightened, combed and rolled into yarn, that is shown in figure 3.8d. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters and the shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloth. So the step 6 involves that the fibers are straightened, then combed and then rolled into yarn, and then we can see this in figure 3.8d. So the long fibers are made into wool for sweaters and the short one are used for woolen clothes. We have completed the topic. Now we will start the next topic in the next video.